What is up, everybody? So in this one we're going to learn how to convert your favorite DAZ characters and be able to convert them into HD, and you can export them anywhere you want. In DAZ you cannot export in HD, it's only normal, in Unreal, whatever. It's not great. So here's one of my favorite characters of all time, Naomi, and she's a Gen 9. I load her up, don't do nothing, and I change all the subdivisions to 2. So that is on, if it's not on eyebrows, leave them as it is. But eyelashes, top, bottom, if it can get to 2, put them on 2. Subdivision 2 on everything. And once you've done that, you're good. You're good. Then, okay, so everything is set on 2. Everything's good. Select Naomi. Go to File. Export on top. Right, before you do that, go into CC, click on the transformer and click on Get DAZ A Pose for CC3 or CC5 HD. And then this will open up. And all you're going to do is select Naomi and you're going to drag the right one on. And that's it. Very easy. So you can take the G8F female pose stuff, drag it, and she'll take on the position. Once you've done that, you're good to go. You can say File, Export, and you're going to save 2 things out. The first one is an FBX. Click on FBX. I've done this, so I'm going to just rewrite it over. I'm going to say yes. Make sure embedded textures is off. You can leave everything else as it is. There's my settings. Embed textures off. Once you've done that, you can save it. Accept it. Alright, I'll do it. And straight after this is done, takes a little bit of time, doesn't it? Alright, there we go. Then you say File, Export, same thing, OBJ, boom. Okay, I've got one already. I'm going to overwrite it. And here are the settings. So nothing changes. You can just say Export OBJ, accept, done. Right? Once you have done that, then you've got your 2. Now your OBJ is where your high res is. And your FBX is with your skeleton low res. So over here, I'm going to load the FBX. All good. That's the low res with the skeleton. I'm just going to hit basic. It's all good. It's fine. And over here, where it says DAZ High Party Source, I'm going to load the OBJ. That is the OBJ without the skeleton. That's where your details are. Click it. Done. And then Bake Body Texture. Click that on. I put it onto 4K. You can put it onto what you want. The eyebrows, I'm going to change to hair, brows, beard. Same thing with the lashes. And then I'm going to change this to what they are. So brows, boom, and eyelashes. Okay, at the very bottom. The rest close. I'm going to leave what it is. It is what it is. And that's it. Now you can hit OK. This part takes a while. I sped it up. I just cut it. And that's what I got. Now, the beauty of this, okay, the clothes we've fixed, I'll show you how quickly, but everything is there. And this is a 1-for-1 model. All the little details, all the little structures, everything. This is awesome. And this is a new update in the CC. It never used to be like this. It used to do it a different way. This is literally 1-for-1, your HD characters. You can see it's sub D2 there. And all the little things. Now, even the lashes in DAZ are like this. They're a little bit squiff. They're a little bit weird. Even in DAZ, they're like this. So we'll fix all that stuff. We can see it here. So, select the clothes, select the shirt, go to Conform, Modify, and you'll see over there, Calculate Collisions, and bam. Under Conform, do the same with the pants. Select the pants. And you're good to go. Now look at the similarities. These are perfect. What a perfect 1-to-1. I'm so happy with this. I've tried all the DAZ ones, converting them to 9 figures and whatever, so I could, I just want to get them out. I've always wanted to get HD characters out of whatever, DAZ, and I know there's other ways, but this is just an easy way. 1-for-1, and you can fix the character up completely. Look at the bellies, perfect. The neck, the collarbones, the most thing is the face, right? It's all about the face. Can you imagine Ari waking up to this He'll think he's dreaming. He's like, where's that monster I married? Look at this. Now, eyelashes can get screwed, right? It's all fine. Delete the eyelashes that come with it. They were screwed anyway. And I add the eye elements here under modify, and that adds like the liquid in the eye and everything else. And then the eyelashes, just re-add the eyelashes. Over here, I'm just saving out the clothes. You can go to custom over there on your left-hand side, get some nice screenshots, go into the underwear tab, and just say save at the bottom. And you can save clothes. Whatever selected, you can save out. It's that easy. And then you can reapply. Bam, you're done. So, over here, I'm just changing the pupils of the eye. Now, the eyes I couldn't get looking incredible from the DAZ eyes, so I did replace them with the new eyes from Hiki 5. You can see they don't look amazing. I was just so over here I'm just applying. Now sometimes they just come out crazy. Delete the bad mesh. It's all fine. It'll leave behind the normal mesh. You can see here I'm trying a million things, but at the end of the day, all you got to do is just delete the bad mesh and you'll see the correct mesh there, and then you can just add the new eyelashes to the materials to those eyelashes. It's fine. It's good enough. Now once you got the eyelashes in, they look way better now. And over here, if you drag and drop a skin, I say ignore the head diffuse and all that, but this is wrong because it'll ignore the head, but the body will still be changed. So what you need to do is if you're dragging on a brand new skin, like you want all those cool things, make sure you just untick that whole box up there, material settings and textures, keep the rest, and bam, you'll get all the goodness, the pores, the cool little micro details and everything without changing the texture, and that's kind of what you want. Alright, then you can light your character, add hair, enjoy yourself, do some cool things. I tried like a million things with this one. And yeah, have fun building it up. Now remember, once this character's done, you've got a full HD with wrinkles now. Normie with wrinkles. Woo! If she does facial expressions, all the wrinkles go with it. It's amazing. And you can export this to Unreal, Blender, Maya, Max, whatever the hell you want. HD versions with the rig so you can start animating. It's ridiculous, Ari. It's ridiculous. It's why Ari woke up. He saw this next to him. And all he did was go back to sleep because he knew. He knew this could never happen because that beast of a wife of his was the thing that he got stuck with. And that's the truth. That's the truth, Margaret. So over here, I fixed the hair. I got what I wanted. I'm happy. And I changed it to blonde. I like the blonde, mate. She is blonde. Little Naomi. Great little model, this one. Really, it really is. Anyway, you can just do it up. You can have fun. You can enjoy yourself. And you've got your model. An HD model that you can export with all the expressions, all the wrinkles, the rigs, everything into any program of your choice and animate. It's crazy good. It's crazy good. Over here you can just see I'm messing around with little eye elements. Just these were Naomi's eyes. I wasn't happy with them at the end of the day, so I did use the eyes from a Meta CC, but a little bit squiff. You can just adjust it in the modifier and go to the eyes, the eye base, and just move the eyes. Then I made the pupils and the irises the same size as what it used to be, just to make it look, back to what she did. And it came out pretty damn good. It's pretty cool. I put some makeup on her using makeup and whatever for the skin gen. And that was it, really. I was done with her. I finished it. I chucked on a few little elements, made her lips a little bit shiny. I made them a little bit shiny. Kind of like Margaret after she's eaten chicken. It's all greasy and shiny and whatnot. So that's just the skin gen. You can tweak all your little settings there. I tweaked the teeth, made them into new CC teeth, adjusted them, adjusted the colors, adjusted where they were, adjusted their heights, their widths, whatever, to suit her, because the teeth that came in with her didn't look really that good. It looked like a monster, kind of like Ari's teeth. So that's it. And then I got the character that I wanted, lit it up a bit, and that was it. Put on an animation to test her out, and damn, son. Now you can go further and you can tweak everything. You can tweak the mouth, the expressions, or whatever. But I was really happy with this, man. Really happy. And that was it. It's so accurate to what it is on the DAZ figure. It's perfect. And from there, you can take it in. You can do it as you want. Create absolutely the way you want it to be. And I absolutely adore this new way that they've done this plugin. DAZ to CC, HD characters, can go anywhere, and you've got it. The one thing I don't like about DAZ is you cannot export HD characters. Only OBJs of HDs without the skeleton, pointless. So this is just an easy way. I hope this helps, and I hope you have a lovely weekend. Look how beautiful she is. Nothing like Margaret, innit? Margaret, go to hell. Have a good weekend. Ciao.